Rahmania, and
My name is Siti Aulia Akbariana.
we will make an introduction video. Let's go to the video.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Rahmania. You can call me Rahma. And what's your name?
My name is Siti Aulia Akbariana. You can call me Siti.
Oh, nice to meet you, Siti.
Nice to meet you.
What are you from, Siti?
I'm from Kapuas Hulu. And you?
I'm from Kapuas Hulu, Lanja. How are you today, Siti?
I'm feeling not well.
Oh, get well soon, Siti.
Thank you. What is your majoring, Rahma?
I'm majoring is PGSD at STKIP Persada Katulistiwa Sintang. And you, Siti?
Me too.
Oh, nice. What's your favorite food, Siti?
My favorite food is meatball. And you?
And me, my favorite food is chicken noodles. What are you planning the future, Siti?
I want to be a good teacher. And you?
And me is I want to be a smart teacher.
That's good, Rahma.
Thank you, Siti. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See you tomorrow.
See you.